Hello guys. ShoppExp presents top 5 best cooking spoons in 2020. Through extensive research we have put together all the products in a list. So like the video, share your ideas in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The 5th number is Riveira wooden cooking spoons. From cooking to serving, experience the complete functionality of these premium wooden spoons for cooking. Practical, reliable bamboo cooking spoons provides helpful implements for every task, whether you're flipping ingredients, tasting sauces, or serving a finished meal, so you'll always have the right tool while you're working in the kitchen, no matter what you're making. This deluxe assortment of wooden utensils set is crafted from 100% organic non-stick bamboo, which means they won't scratch pots or pans. These cooking spoons are available on Amazon in a cheap price. The 4th number is Mondayou spoons for cooking. The Mondayou wooden cooking spoons are 100% handmade by natural teak wood without any coating. Wooden spoons and spatulas are a non-toxic and eco-friendly alternative that does not leach toxic chemicals into your food while cooking like other types of utensils do. Long and comfortable handles make these cooking spoons easy to hold when stirring food for a long time and protect your hands from the heat of your dish. A wood spatula is easily cleaned with warm soapy water. You can easily store this wooden utensil set in a drawer or spoon holder, or hang it on the wall. These cooking spoons are available on Amazon in a cheap price. The 3rd number is Neet cooking spoons. Add a unique and stylish touch to your home and kitchen with the modern bamboo look. You can use these cooking spoons for high-heat sautéing, baking, mixing, flipping, and of course serving your masterpieces. Literally hundreds of uses in your home and kitchen. The strategically designed and handcrafted with 100% natural organic bamboo. The cooking spoons are made with one of the strongest and fastest growing plants on earth. Bamboo is stronger and has a longer lifespan than all natural wood utensils. Extremely sustainable, eco-friendly and biodegradable. The natural material is gently on your pots and pans, ensuring you will not scratch or damage your expensive and delicate cookware. Naturally antibacterial makes bamboo truly unique. It's available on Amazon in a cheap price. The 2nd last number is Home Hero silicone cooking spoons. These cooking spoons are designed with sturdy, top-grade silicone heads that are firmly bound to their natural hardwood acacia handles to keep you cooking for years. Our non-toxic, BPA-free, FDA-approved kitchen cooking utensils set always looks and feels as you expect it to. Naturally and water-resistant. Acacia's durability means it isn't scratched easily, while its water-resistant properties means it won't warp readily and is highly resistant to fungus. High-grade, non-scratch and flexible. The silicone heads can withstand temperature. You're way beyond those standard black, plastic-first apartment sets. The soft curves of the acacia wood and the chic gray silicone look gorgeous and are made from only the highest quality. It's available on Amazon in a cheap price. And the last number is OXO cooking spoons. The wooden reamer is made of solid beechwood, which does not react with acidic fruits, making it last longer and stay stronger. The pointed tip and sharp edges make it easier to begin and continue the juicing process. These cooking spoons are easy to use for the widest range of users. The handle, which is flat on top and sensuously curved underneath, comfortably fits the hand. A hole in the end allows the spoon to hang where it's most needed. Set in a crock, the slotted spoon forms a handsome bouquet, such as a smaller slotted spoon, mixing spoons, a pancake turner, and a spaghetti server. A natural oil finish protects the wooden spoon without contaminating food, while the give of wood means the spoon is safe for non-stick cookware. Available on Amazon in a very cheap price. For more information about all the products, check the links in the description box. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.